Without a question, we know it's going to be controversial, and this is our first thing that's going to actually, you know...
Probably raise eyebrows.
Yeah, we're making it mid-engine. The reasoning why we're making this GT-R mid-engine is because the R35, when it came out, it was one of the top competition cars on the Nürburgring. We feel as though you no longer can make cars that compete with the Aventadors, the GT3 RS, the Mustang GTD, the Corvette ZR1. And the biggest thing is, this car is going to be affordable. It's not going to start off at $120,000. What's this car going to start off at, Tyler?
Around $80,000. We're literally, our whole goal is to undercut the Corvette.